Another video. In this video we will style the alerts and sign in and sign up forms in our application. If I can show you the alerts, so we will also style this form. Let's sign in. So this is the alert. We can use Bootstrap to style these alerts and style our sign in and sign up forms. So let's start. Before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's go to our Bootstrap and search for alerts. So for the error we can use this danger alert, and for the success we can use this success alert. So let's copy the success alert, okay, and then go to our code, and our alerts are added in the application.html.erb, but we can also move them in a separate partial. Okay, so we have to style that one. Let's add this alert here. And then for the danger, let's copy this alert of danger and paste it here. Okay, if we go back and refresh, you can see the alerts are showing, but this is the hard coded. Let's remove it. And for the success we can use this flash notice, and let's remove it from here, and then let's cut it this one and replace it in the danger alert. So if I refresh, okay, you can see that currently no alert or flash message is present, but they are showing empty. So we can also hide these ones, and we can only show these alerts when there is any message present. So what we can do is, let's copy this if condition and paste it here, and move this code in the Ruby. Okay, and then add this end. Okay, in the same way, let's copy this one, this if condition, and paste it here. Okay, and then if we refresh, you can see that nothing is showing. And then we can move this code in a separate partial, and let's in the layouts, let's add a new partial that name alerts.html.erb, and the name starts with the underscore because this is a partial. Okay, then let's indent it and then go back to application and render the partial here. Yeah, that's all. Oh, this is not neighbor, but it should be alerts. Okay, if I then can create a new post, test post, create the post, no alert is showing. Why? If we go to our post controller and see that if the alert is added, so no alert is added for the create. Let's add the alert here, flash of notice, because this is the success is equal to, let's add this condition, this alert if the post is saved successfully. So if post.save, then we can show post created successfully, and then in the else condition we can show the flash of alert that will be error creating post. Okay, so now if we go back here and create a new post test again, and let's leave this body empty. If we create it, okay, you can see that post created successfully, and this is the success alert, because the color is green. Okay, so alert is shown successfully, and then if we delete the post, no alert is showing. Let's go to the destroy method, and let's add the alert here as well. So after destroy, let's add a flash of alert, and the alert will be post deleted successfully. Okay, and then refresh, and let's delete this post, and you can see that post deleted successfully. Okay, so now alerts are working fine. Let's add the alert flash of alert here as well in the update. So if post is updated, else, and then add the end here. So if the post is updated successfully, we will add a flash of notice to post updated successfully, and then in the else block we can add flash of alert to error updating post. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If we edit this post and change the title to first post and with the exclamation marks and update it, you can see the post updated successfully and the title is now updated. So I think alerts are added on all the places. So let's style our sign in and sign up forms, and we also need to add the alerts, style the alerts for logout and sign, and after the sign in and sign up. So if I click logout, you can see that logout successfully, that is working fine. If we click sign in, so let's style this form, and let's go to our posts, and in the new, let's copy this form and then go to our registrations. In the new, add this template and replace our form with this one. Okay, if we refresh in the sign up, you can see that this is now in our card component, and then let's style it, and here we can change the title to sign up, and then style the form to, let's add the class of form group, and in the text we can add a class of form control. If we refresh, you can see that the input is now styled, and in the same way let's copy the classes from here and add it here. In the same way, copy this class and add it here. Also we can add it here, and let's copy this one and also add it here. So if we go back and refresh, So our form is looking nice, and then let's style our sign up button, and then let's add a class of btn, then btn dash primary. Okay, and then let's add some margin because the button is attached to the input field. We can add a margin of mt-3. Okay, and let's add this button btn dash block so that it can take the full width, or we can add a class of w-100. Okay, let's refresh. You can see now the button is of width of 100%. Okay, and then let's add a div. Here we can add a span, and then we can add a or, because we can also add the sign in button here. If the user has already have an account, we can add a button to sign in here so that the user can toggle between the sign in and sign up forms. So let's add another div, and in this div let's add a button or link, and then link will points to /login, and we can give the label of login. Okay, for this link we can also add a class of btn and then btn dash success. Also we can give the width of 100. If we go back and refresh, so this button is appearing here, and then let's style it and make it center. So to make it center, let's make it flex, d-flex, and then justify content of center. Okay, if I go back and refresh, yeah, it looks good, but let's add some margin top and bottom of this label. So we can add my of 2. Refresh, so there is some spacing. Okay, our sign up form is completed. If we can go back to login, so let's style this one, and let's copy all of this form and go to our sections, and then new. Let's paste the form here, and then change only this thing. Okay, and then we have email and password. Let's remove this name field because we don't need for the sign in, and yeah, then change the button to login. Okay, let's remove this form. If we refresh, so the form is styled, and let's change this label to login, and also let's change this button label to sign up form, and go to sign up. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, you can see, let's change the label here to sign up. We can also toggle between our sign in and sign up form from here. We can click on this one, and then if we want to log in, we can log in from here. So let's try to log in. If I log in, you can see this alert is styled, and we are showing the success message. Okay, if I log out, and then we can sign in. So if I now click login, you can see that it says invalid username and password. So the proper messages are showing here as well. So in the sign up form, so let's hit the form without filling it. If I click sign up, you can see error creating an account, because if we go to registration controller and then create, and then in the create you can see that this flash is showing error creating an account, right? But actually we did not know the error. So let's, instead of showing this hard coded, we can actually show the proper message, and we can get this message from the user object. We can get user dot errors dot first dot full underscore message. Okay, so if we go back here and refresh, and then if I click sign up, it says that password can't be blank. So the password validation is by default added by the bcrypt gem, right, by using this method, but we also need to have the validation added in the for the email and name. So in the next video we will add the validations to all our project, for example in the sign up form and for also for the post, so the user can't be able to create the post without title and description. So for example, if I can show you, we can create the post without the title and body. If I click create post, you can see it creates an empty post without the title and body. So but we have to add the validations, and in the next video we will add the validations. So that's all for this video, and hopefully you have learned something new. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.